Hey Rigidity Warriors, I'm back with a brand new review, this time for Feastables Caramel. I gotta try this out. Whoa, look at that. Look at that, oh my gosh. It's seeping out the caramel. Wow! What in the world? Cadbury, you need to step your game up. I'm serious. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, do yourself a favor and click that like button. Leave a comment below the screen. Please subscribe to this channel as Rigidity Warriors is here to stay. Please click the notification bell for new content coming to this channel and support the cause at patreon.com/Rigidity Warriors by Retro Films. And until next time, peace and subscribe.